You've never felt slime like this. It's not really fair to call it slime. This is cloud slime, airy, fluffy, and unbelievably soft. It drizzles like cotton candy, but never sticks. Light pops and super satisfying. So holdable and kid-friendly, the perfect no-mess slime. Each piece so airy you can section it like a cake. Each piece fluffs into its own mini cloud. And it always comes back together smooth and fluffy. Once you feel cloud slime, you'll be obsessed.